The right tool for the right job. With the subtitle, Choosing the Right Tool for the Task, we explore the significance of selecting the most appropriate tools for various software development tasks. Understanding the unique strengths of different tools allows you to optimize your workflow, enhance efficiency, and achieve superior results. Let's dive into how making the right choices can elevate your programming and development experience. SheerPower is an ideal tool for business applications. Versatility. SheerPower is perfect for creating and maintaining large business applications, offering robust features and capabilities. Adaptability. It excels in environments with frequently changing business rules, allowing for quick adjustments and updates. With SheerPower, you can efficiently manage complex and dynamic business requirements. SheerPower offers rapid development and iteration. Extremely fast. SheerPower boasts extremely fast compiling times. Efficiency. It handles over 500,000 lines of code per second. Speed. This ensures rapid development and iteration, allowing you to quickly make changes and see results. SheerPower offers reliable solutions for exact calculations. Perfect precision. SheerPower provides perfect precision math. No rounding errors. This ensures accuracy in all calculations. Reliability. It is ideal for applications requiring exact calculations, making SheerPower a trustworthy choice for precise mathematical operations. Efficient string handling is a core strength of SheerPower. High efficiency. SheerPower offers highly efficient string handling. Fast manipulation. This allows for quick and effective manipulation of text data. Core strength. Efficient string handling is a fundamental capability of SheerPower, making it ideal for text-heavy applications. Let's discuss how SheerPower streamlines data management with its integrated database engine. Built-in engine. SheerPower includes a high-speed database engine. Connectivity. It offers connections to many other databases, providing flexibility in how you manage and integrate your data. Efficiency. This integration streamlines data management within your applications, making it more efficient and effective. SheerPower is designed to be accessible for all programmers. Easy to learn. SheerPower is very easy to learn. Quick to master. It is quick to master, allowing for rapid skill acquisition. For everyone, SheerPower is accessible for both novice and experienced programmers, making it a versatile tool for all levels of expertise. Let's explore some additional resources to enhance your understanding of SheerPower. Tutorials. In addition to these tutorials, there are many other resources available. YouTube videos. Many instructive YouTube videos on SheerPower are available for you to watch. Further learning. Explore these resources to further enhance your understanding and mastery of SheerPower. By utilizing these additional resources, you can deepen your knowledge and become more proficient in using SheerPower. SheerPower is both accessible and powerful. Free download. SheerPower is free to download. Free usage. It is also royalty-free to use. Get started. Install yours today. Enjoy the benefits. Start enjoying the benefits of this powerful tool. With no cost to you, there's no reason not to take advantage of SheerPower's capabilities. In conclusion, to optimize your development process, you need the right tool. Choose SheerPower for large business applications. For improved efficiency, using SheerPower will help you optimize your development process, making it more efficient and effective. By selecting the right tool, you can ensure the success of your projects and enhance your productivity.